Hey everyone, it's Ash from Creative Mending, and I'm super excited because I get to show you a package that I've received. It's from the Kickstarter project that I backed. I backed them the fullest amount that you could, and it was for the Simple Happy Kitchen. It is a book that is based on vegan food, and I really loved all of the nutritional information and how all of the illustrations made everything sort of whimsical. And veganism is sort of trending right now. I work in nutrition. I just really like to be on top of this kind of stuff. And so when this whole thing popped up, I thought that it made everything really approachable. Sometimes just the word vegan can be kind of taboo. So I'm just really excited. Let's get on with it. This is a pretty big box. So I'm going to be opening it off here to the side, and then I'll just kind of pull everything out to you guys. So there's plushies, and there's going to be charms, and there's like a super cute plate that's going to be there, and a book, and everything is going to be really adorable, I bet. Okay, so the first thing I see is plushies. I love plushies. Oh, it's a bee! Oh my god, they're so cute. Okay, I'm already so excited. I'm so happy. It's a really nice material. Ooh, yeah, ooh, that's nice. I really like that. Okay, put him to the side. Who else do we have? Oh, we have the tomato. So cute! Oh my goodness. Once again, really nice quality. I wasn't sure how large they were going to be when they got here. I actually expect them to be like half the size of this. They're really nice size. Already worth the amount of money that I bagged. Oh, the tofu! It's so cute. I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay. I see the chickpea. Just kind of cover it there. Oh yeah, super cute. Busted it out. It looks like a butt, kind of. But it's super cute. Oh, I love the chickpea. That might be my favorite one so far. And all of these characters are also in the book, and the book has all sorts of detailed information about like the basics of everything from finding your protein to the supplements that you might need to consider if you're going into veganism, all the simple recipes that you can utilize, and there's always things that you can do with, say, the scraps from your almonds that you use to make your almond milk at home. There's like a recipe for like crackers that you can make using the leftover pulp from it. So I mean, there's all sorts of cool stuff that you can do, and yeah, I'm pretty sure a lot of that will probably be in the book. Here's the cashew. Whoa, they're so squishy. I love them. They're really stress relieving. I definitely like the quality of the plushies. What do we have here? Somebody is separate from the rest. Ooh, never mind. The black bean is my favorite one now. Actually, they were all kind of my favorite as they're coming out of the package. So that's what's going on. Aw, is your baby. I like that. Okay, on to the next one. We have an almond. Almonds. However you'd like to pronounce it is probably right. I say all sorts of words very weird. Almonds. Yeah, I see him all the time on the Facebook posts. Oh, he's okra. I like this one. It's very odd. Yeah, I actually expected all of them to be like this size. So he's kind of the smallest out of all of them, but they're all really good quality. They got good squish to them. Very happy with I mean, that is easily worth the amount that I backed already, and I still have all these other exciting things to pull out of here. We've got, oh yeah, the reusable shopping bag. And see, I'm so weird. I get really pretty stuff like this, and then I don't want to use it because I don't want to mess it up. But oh, look at that. It tucks into its, oh my. This is like super fancy. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, I really like this. This is the reusable bag that I got. The print is really cute. The materials, it's decent. I feel like it would split really easily, so I really don't want to use it. But the design's really cool. It tucks into itself, and then that also becomes the pocket that you can put the bag into. And we have our plate. Once again, it's really nice. The quality, I'd be worried about using this. I don't know. I feel like I would damage it somehow. So I'll probably put this on display. It's really beautiful. It's got a slight matte finish. It's very soft. I like it. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, that's why. It's bamboo fiber. It's biodegradable. So it's so pretty. I don't want to ruin it, you know? It's really nice. And I'll save the book for last. I see the charms in here. So there's multiple charms in these. They're like super worth grabbing. There's the red bean and the pistachio in there. The pistachio is adorable. Oh, it kind of makes me think of Beetlejuice. And then we have the lemon and then the white bean in here. Let's see what else we have. We have our chickpea and our tahini. And then we also have the almond and the cashew. So I got the whole set whenever I backed them. It came with like everything that they have. Super worth it. Okay. And then here is more exciting stuff. So there's the coloring book. And then they also gave the backers of my level a digital version of this, which is super awesome. I like that because I almost get anxiety about coloring and really nice coloring books, but the fact that I can look at my ebook and kind of just print it for myself and color it makes me feel like, you know, not as nervous about it. So here's just a few pages in there for you, just a couple pages. It's really cute. And yeah. Fun stuff. And then we also have the illustrated book. Oh, the jar labels. This is actually one of the things I was the most excited about is the jar labels. And of course, I don't want to use them because they're so pretty. It's got some information on there, nutritional information. Yeah, definitely one of my favorite parts. There's a couple of, I've got a sticker, and then this looks like what seems to be a patch. And oh my goodness, I love spices, so this is really cool. It's like a printed spice sheet. Got kind of dented there. There's the grocery storage guide sheet. That's really cool too. And there's actually quite a few prints in here. Egg replacements, leafy green guide. That's just really cute stuff. It's really fun. And then there, obviously in here, there is, I mean, it's just so pretty. The book itself, I was immediately excited about. Then I saw that there was plushies and charms, and I really just wanted to support them to the highest that I could. So I did. And ooh, let's see how many cheese recipes. Once again, everything is vegan in here, and that's why it's, well, you know, plant-based, whatever you want to call it. They stayed away from the vegan word, but that's what's going on. So I am very pleased with backing this project. Simple Happy Kitchen was definitely something that as soon as I saw it, I was really excited about it, and I wanted to help as much as I could. And they met a lot of their goals, and it was really exciting to go through the whole process. Getting the package, getting to open it up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll decide to take a look at them as well. I hope you have a very great day. I know